Hey guys, welcome to Plant Today with Amy Ray. It's been a while. I've had a few health things going on. I did randomly find out that I had a 90% blockage in one of my main arteries of my heart, so I had to have a stent placed. So that is now healed, and I'm also on some other cardiac meds now because I had a high heart rate, which limited the amount of things that I could do in life. And so I am now on medication for that. And so there's been a lot going on there, but I feel like I am now back in a place where I can get back to the normal routine of things and back in the garden. I have so many things that I want to do now that the weather is nice and cool and we're hitting gorgeous weather, hopefully no freezes soon, because all of my plants are just in their prime. A lot of them are, and budding up and flowering, and so there's lots to show you and lots to do. And I feel like I have just been, I already have my gloves on ready to go, but I've been neglecting so many things outside because I just have not had the energy or time to do anything out there. But all that said, back to regular scheduled things. So I am going to get started today. I am going to quickly do some routine cleanup things and take you on a quick tour for November 2022. So the first thing I'm getting started with today is taking care of this wild star jasmine and all the weeds that have accumulated in this flower bed. The star jasmine had reached out and started climbing the angel trumpet and was all wound into the succulent fountain. It was quite the mess. It was also growing up into the gutters. So I just took a hedge trimmer to it and tackled it as best as possible. And I had to clean up this mess that I made. And speaking of the angel trumpet, let me show you a picture of it blooming this past week. I had filmed this video a couple weeks ago, but look at how gorgeous it was last week. So next I'm just going to play around with some placement of some future Thai plants I want to put right here. And then I moved on to the pole cutouts. And I really just needed to do some cleanup here, get rid of some old yucky stuff and weeds. I also kind of pruned up the gomphrena and some general maintenance. Moved on to the banana plants. Again, just routine maintenance, taking off all those yellow leaves. And then I kind of pulled some weeds and pruned up that hibiscus. Next, I tackled a big project where my sweet potato vine was growing. It had kind of taken over this whole area, which in its prime looks gorgeous. But as the fall season approaches, the insects and you could just tell that the sweet potato vine knows it's about the end of its life, so it just starts looking brown. So it was time to take it all out, and there was tons of leaves here because all the leaves that were dropping from the tree on top of this area land right here. Not to mention, when we blow leaves off the concrete, they get blown into that sweet potato vine area. So it was just all compact right there. So it all needed to be raked out. I hosed it all off, and it looked much better. So I love the sweet potato vine. I do still think I will use it again, but maybe not wait quite as long to clean it up. So here you're going to see my feeble attempts to move this giant potted variegated ginger. It's in a soft cloth pot that is huge, and it had been sitting here for a couple seasons. And so I was able to use my little plant mover to get it out from the ground. But once it was in this position, I really
couldn't move it anymore by myself, so I'll have to wait for Nathan.
Okay, I cut the seed pods off of this coleus because it's my favorite, and I'm going to harvest the seeds from these little seed pods. And I think I'm going to do the same from this coleus too, this lemon lime. It's really another one of my favorites. So I'll harvest those and harvest these and label those. So I just take the little seeds off of here, and then you kind of roll them around your hand. Fingertips works the best. Those two little black dots are the seeds, the coleus seeds. So I'm going to do all these real quick and show you the results. Okay, it's going to be literally impossible to separate this really, so I'll probably put most of all this in a little baggie because those are the little seeds and these are the little seed pods, so it won't hurt to plant the whole thing as long as I get a couple seeds in each little place that I'm planting them. Will be good. So I'm just going to put all this in a little baggie and label it.
So that's it for this video, guys. Here's a little glimpse of my gorgeous Hilo Beauty colocasia that has just been a showstopper. I have lots more to do, like I said, so stay tuned for lots more videos. I hope this inspires you to go plant today.